smell of water, bad taste, and 100 calls to customer care to fix that water filter. And meanwhile, drinking water from those plastic cans which we have no idea whether they are safe or pure to drink. Common problems, right? With monsoon round the corner, we want to be extra careful with the water we drink. We want it to be safe and pure. But how do we know that? And why should a water purifier be such a hassle to use? Well, with Mi Smart Water Purifier, it isn't a hassle anymore. The simplest and smartest product from the house of Xiaomi. And the best part is, it comes with DIY filter replacement technology. One of the first in India. A feature that ensures zero dependency on others to change or replace the filters. This is just one of the many smart innovations of this gorgeous product. Let me take you through the other features. I'm going to show you how smart the Mi Smart Water Purifier really is. Purity of water is of utmost importance, especially in monsoons when we hear so much about water contamination problems and waterborne diseases. To tackle this, the water purification process of your water purifier is really crucial. The Mi Smart Water Purifier comes with advanced penta-purification process that takes the water through 5 stages of filtration. In stage 1 and 2, the water passes through the PPC filter, which is the polypropylene cotton plus activated carbon, which effectively intercepts large and visible particles. In stage 3, the water passes through the RO filter, which effectively filters out heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, and other impurities with the precision of up to 0.0001 micron. In stage 4, the water passes through the PAC filter, which is the post-activated carbon filter, which effectively absorbs odor and organic substances. And finally, in stage 5, the water goes through in-tank UV sterilization. Here, the UV light kills bacteria with 99.99% efficiency. Why is UV sterilization important? Let me tell you, it is one of the most important features in the water purification process. Most of the time, if water stays in the water tank for a very long time, it tends to develop microorganisms and bacteria. To kill these, the UV light triggers for 25 minutes after every 4 hours. It also functions when you're filling the tank with water. All this while, we have been drinking water thinking it's pure. But there has been absolutely no way to gauge the purity levels of the water. And that's where the Mi Smart app comes into picture. It actually tells you the TDS levels of your water. TDS levels are the total dissolved solid in your water. Depending on the source of water, the hardness of the water is determined. We get water from multiple sources. Sometimes it's tanker, sometimes it's borewell, and sometimes it's combination of 2 different sources. But most of the time, the TDS level of water coming from these sources is really high. According to WHO standards, drinking water which has TDS of 300 and below is excellent to drink. And with Mi Smart app, you can actually check the real-time input and output TDS of the water you are drinking. And not just that, through Mi Home app, you can also check the life of the filter with just 1 click. And you don't have to worry about filter replacement because the Mi Home app will notify you when to change the filters. And here's the catch. You don't have to depend on anyone or scout for filters anywhere else. All you have to do is go on the Mi Home app and just with 1 click buy the filters through mi.com. And with the DIY filter replacement technology, you can change the filter yourself within 30 seconds. Amazing, right? Now no more calls, no more waiting, no more hassle. While all these smart innovations make this product truly revolutionary, what sets it apart is the gorgeous design. It's thoughtfully crafted and the design also ensures that it's easy to clean. It comes with a 7-liter tank. The tank is made up of FDA approved material which assures complete safety. The Mi Smart Water Purifier is an absolute delight and a vital addition to your smart home. A product that is truly smart, truly safe and truly convenient. And all of this at a price of just 12,999. So this monsoon, make sure that you know the quality and purity of the water you're drinking and keep your family safe and healthy. This is me, Vinita, signing off. Stay tuned and see you soon.